Mint aloe vera soothing gel.
Does your skin feel so dry, oiliness, and rough?
My skin feels so dry.
Like mine is so oily.
I just want smooth and healthy skin.
Oh no, these three girls have some problems.
Don't worry, we have the answer. Mascomine aloe vera smoothing gel.
It will lose oil and keep you cool all day long.
It hydrates and obtains dry skin smooth and gentle.
Here, catch.
What's this? My skin doesn't feel dry anymore. No more oily. It's so shiny. My skin feels so smooth and glowing.
Perfect for everyday use.
Natural, refreshing, and effective.
And made for everyone.
After cleansing, take an appropriate amount of this product and apply it evenly on the face. Gently massage the face until it is absorbed.
Don't worry, we have the answer. Ay, asan na? Eh.
Ay na ba? Ganun ba?
Hindi, nakagalaw ko na.
Please, ano? Go. May pa-montage po kasi!
Ano ba? Don't worry, we have the problem. Ay, problem.
Dry.
Before using this product, it is recommended to try it on the skin behind the ear. If you feel uncomfortable, please stop using it. Use with caution on sensitive skin and keep out of reach of children.